Good afternoon, guys. I'm going to talk about this clock a little bit before the chime goes off. This is a 1935 Revere Westminster chime clock. I have no idea which model it is. I haven't found it in any catalogs yet, and this one is quite hard to find because perhaps only 750 of any given model that year were made. So it looks pretty nice, as you can tell. It survived shipping quite nicely, except for half of the left foot on the front broke off, which is no biggie. Just glue that back on with wood glue. But I have replaced the old leather hammer heads in it with new ones. It sounds much, I don't want to say better, it's just more mellow now. The old leather was kind of hard and dry, which makes sense considering that's 89 years old. Anyway, as you can tell, she's running very nicely.